Hello students, let us continue with the dimensions of business environment. Here see, these are the five factors, dimensions of the business environment which directly affects the working of a business. The economic, social, technological, political and legal business environment. So let's explain the economic environment, how the economic environment affects the business. So interest rate, inflation rates, changes in disposable income, stock market indices, value of rupee, these are the few economic factors that can affect business enterprises. Let us try to understand about these factors in detail. That what is interest rate? What do you think what is interest rate? So I am talking about that interest rate on which a business firm arranges the funds for dealing in business. That means you can suppose it in the easy terms that these are the loans which a business take for running its activities. So interest rate, if these loans are available at the cheaper rate, then the businessman would have more funds in his hands, and they will try to expand their business. As well as inflation rates. Inflation rates, they say that the value of rupee is going to fall, and there is high rate of prices of everything. So this will also hinder the purchasing power of a person. When the purchasing power of a person or customer will be hindered, in that situation, that business will be affected. Naturally, you can feel that what will be the effect on the business. Changes in disposable income. If a people is not having funds in their hands to purchase something, or if they are having more income, they will purchase lots of things, and if they are not having that funds in their hands, they will purchase lesser. Nowadays, you can observe that how the economy has been struck from the last 3 months, that how much you can observe yourself, how much you are buying from the market, how much things you are buying from the market. You are just buying those which is of the essential nature. You are not buying any luxurious item or any other items, just only the essentials you are buying. So that here you can observe very clearly that how it is affecting to the such kind of business which is not related to essentials. Stock market indices. So clear cut you can observe that what is the effect of this disease on the stock market, and where the value of rupee is going on. Short-term and long-term interest rates. Short-term and long-term interest rates says that if a businessman arranges, or generally customer arranges short-term loan, the interest rate will be higher. If he arranges for long-term long-term loans, the interest rate will be comparatively lower. This you can ask from your parents, that if they are going to construct the home and they have taken the loan, that at what rate they are getting the loan from the banks. Or in the same case, if a short-term loan that for 5 to 6 years or 1 year, the comparatively the interest rate will be higher. So the change in disposable income we have discussed, inflation rates, that how they are helping. These are the some stick points which you will get in your examinations point of view, and you have to learn these points as it is. these will help you to identify the factors of economic environment. So sometimes you get these points in the application based questions. This will help you in identifying the application based existing structure of the economy. That means that we are having private sector enterprises or public sector enterprises. The how much enterprises are in the private sector and how much in the public sector. The growth rate, gross national product, per capita is the per capita income. That earlier we have done some factors, that interest rate, etc., disposable income. With these factors you have to learn these factors also. Rates of saving and investment, volume of import and export items, balance. The one most important feature is that you will get these words only for the purpose of identification. We have to learn these points. Let's go to the next one, that is social environment. The social environment includes social forces, custom, traditions, values, social trends, society's expectations. Traditions, what are the traditions? These are the social practices that have been lasted for the decades. There is a tradition that at the time of Diwali, Eid, or all these, that one uses to gift sweets to their family members or relatives. That earlier they used to deliver or they used to exchange sweets. Nowadays that confectionery items are being exchanged. So some times the people, what they do, that they used to wear new dresses at the time of such occasions. So tradition is all about that social practices that is being lasted from the for the decades or even centuries. Or values, that refers to the concept of society holds in very high stream, that social justice, individual freedom, equality of opportunities, all these are the values cherished by all of us. Means everyone wants that we should have justice, equality. So these values also affect the freedom of choice in the market. When you visit to a market, you never seen forced by a businessman that you should purchase this thing. जो आपको पसंद आता है आप वही ले सकते हो, आपको कोई force नहीं करेगा. So this things also going to affect the business by social environment. Here again, the few factors of social environment is that attitudes towards product innovation, lifestyle, concern with the quality of life, life expectancy, expectation from workforce. Again, I would say that you have to learn these factors as it is. This will, with these factors, you will definitely able to get or identify the environment. The next is technological environment. So see, you are not a technology. See the effect of technology. As you are not able to come to the school, but we are coming through technology to you. The recent changes, that how you can observe that perhaps we have not heard the name of that Zoom app before this lockdown or before the happening of this COVID-19, but nowadays how it is being helpful, that Google Classes or all that. So technology, how it is being helpful in developing of business or being affected. So if every business, if they have to survive in the market, they have to adopt the technology. So technological environment means that forces which are related to scientific improvements and innovation. which provides new ways of producing goods and services, new methods and techniques. This you can see, feel, or observe very much nowadays. But I don't think that you will be having a need of more clarification on these topics. So it's all for the day. Thank you.